Hey everyone, Magic Mac 80 back at you with another video here. Today, as the recording this video, it's May the 29th. It's about 10 o'clock. So I got this box last Tuesday here this week, and so yeah, get right into it. I already know what's in it, and you guys are about to find out too. It's like cards. Oops, gotta be careful. Okay, well, I don't need this anymore, my tripod stand. Alright. Got my counter. Cool. Pamphlets, Final Fantasy, yeah. Awesome. Looks like the cards are in good condition. I think it was over last winter break. I did a big old box preview of all this stuff. Pretty cool. This just looks like bulk common stuff, but still, you know, part of the Final Fantasy universe. I do have 2 more boxes of Pokemon cards being delivered this next week, so I look forward to doing that video, posting it later. Yeah, I don't know a lot about the early Final Fantasy games, the characters and the story and everything, but yeah, the latest 10 and up, I'm pretty knowledgeable. Been a long week, really tired from work. Summer break is about to happen soon. The box up pretty good already. almost got away from me. Oh, there goes Shiva. Fell on the carpet. Yeah, I paid, I think, paid about, close to 50 for these 4 boxes. With shipping, so that's good. Oh yeah, Steiner, yeah. He was the main character I used in 9. Him and Zidane, and I don't really care about using the others. That's a great card scene from 10. Oh yeah, you got Riku, yeah. She's really good. We get, looks like 5 of her. That's awesome. Kimari, I hated Kimari. He was trash. Honestly, I did not like that character at all. He never did a lot of damage. He had the unique beast assimilation ability, but I could not stand how weak his damage was. Surprisingly, these cards are in pretty good condition, I gotta say. Yeah, there was gonna be a card show, but I am not going. Oh look, Titus, iconic PS2 title picture scene. That's so cool. So yeah, unfortunately, I neither have the. It's not a matter of time. It's just I didn't plan it out. And then gas is expensive right now, and I am also like, you know, I need to plan it out, is what I'm saying. And the person I asked to go with me on that trip, they did not get back to me in a timely reply. So, oh well. Won't be asking them again. And oh wow, that's pretty cool. Yeah. Want to ask someone who's got experience selling cards. I have no idea. These all look like common bulk stuff, so I imagine, you know, they're not very valuable, but some of them are pretty interesting to me. I, again, don't know the early Final Fantasy games characters' names or anything, or stories. And then we're going through the last of these now. Oh, huh. Wow, they gave me some Pokemon cards in here. Wasn't expecting to see those. Yeah. Wow, what is that? Oh, Star Wars, okay, yeah. Crazy. Bit of a bonus. Alright, well, thank you for watching, everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Magic Mac 80 out. Have a good day. Bye.